We've got a Scotts EasyGreen Rotary Spreader here. I'm going to show you how to strip it down for servicing and to replace any worn parts. First, we're going to remove the micrometer from the spreader mechanism on the hopper and from the housing on the on-off control lever found on the spreader handle. At this point you can replace the cable. Make sure you recalibrate the spreader before using it again. Now we're going to remove the wheels and release the spreading mechanism. Flip off the orange hubcaps and pull out the retaining axle plugs. Slide the axle out from the free side, from left to right, whilst facing the back of the hopper. The gearbox and the spreader plate are now released. This allows access to the agitator, the control gate and the spring. Now we've gained access, we can remove the agitator. The agitator is a component that spins around the bottom of the hopper to feed the granules into the spreading plate. The agitator is pushed up through the base of the hopper and can then be removed. The tensioning shutoff plate acts like a spring. You can see it here. It's easy to remove for cleaning. Release the arms of the spring and lift off the tensioning device. Both parts can be released for cleaning. Once clean and dry, the tensioning device can be replaced by simply reversing the process, placing the spring arms onto the hopper rest. Finally, we can remove the hopper. Remove the nuts and bolts that attach the hopper to the handle. All parts are now free to be cleaned and lubricated and replaced if needed. Lubricate the axle bushings regularly using a light spray lubricant. It's important not to use heavy oils or grease as they can attract debris which can cause premature wear. To reassemble the spreader, just follow these instructions but in the reverse order. Make sure you thoroughly clean and dry all the parts of the spreader before reassembling. You should also check the calibration after any maintenance has been carried out. The micrometer is like an elastic band and can deteriorate over time. To check the calibration, adjust the micrometer setting to 30. Squeeze the on-off control lever, hold the lever tight against the handle to fully open the gate at the base of the hopper. Look inside the hopper base. Check the alignment of the calibration line that is molded into the surface of the shutoff plate. Check that this line is aligned with the back edge of the hopper opening. To adjust the alignment, adjust the bottom of the calibration cable. It's important to maintain your spreader to ensure that it lasts for many years.